Red one. Red one.
Oh, you opened the wrong one, Daniel.
No, this was Daniel.
No.
Yeah.
The blue one was yours.
Let me see.
Maybe I put the name wrong.
No.
David, this one's Daniel, okay?
No, I don't want.
Whoa. This is the coolest thing ever. Isn't it?
Okay, what? This for?
No, don't open this one. It's not for you. I think you guys done. No, open this one. It's not for you. What the heck? Those little ones is for you. Those little ones. Those are the things that I got. Yeah, for you. Yeah. Let me see. Hold on. That's the name on. Yes, it does. This is says Daniel. Open David. David, wake up.
Open that?
No, this one's not his. Yeah. You don't want to open? Why you're like that? Just because it says it's not your present, you open a bunch of stuff already. Be happy or we'll take everything away. Got it? I'm gonna take everything away, you go into your bed. You wanna do that?
No!
So stop, be happy. This one and the big ones for both of you share.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah. Let him open with you, Daniel.
This one?
Yeah, David open with you.
Okay, over here. This is so hard. What is it? Oh, this. What is it?
It's just they were with me when I bought. That's why he said this.
This is hard. Wait, David.
See, that's why they cannot go with me Christmas shopping. You know, everything's like, oh.
Look. No.
No, I still. And this one is for both of you guys too.
Wait, what?
See how look. See, it's not funny. You guys went with me Christmas shopping, so you know everything. So it's not a surprise. See? It's not funny.
Mommy can't like this.
Okay, that's it.